Narendra Modi-led Indian government banned the 10th Muharram procession in Srinagar today, while dozens were arrested in occupied Kashmir for raising pro-Palestine and anti-Israel slogans during the 8th Muharram procession. Indian police arrested several youth during raids under an open FIR registered against the draconian law, the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, for raising pro-Palestine and anti-Israel slogans during the 8th Muharram procession in Srinagar. The police are conducting raids to arrest more youth in connection with the case. APHC leaders, in their separate statements, while paying tributes to Hazrat Imam Hussain and Karbala martyrs, noted that their struggle teaches us to stand firm against injustice, tyranny, and oppression, and those who challenge the modern-day tyrants, namely India's Hindu nationalist regime and Israel's Zionist government, are following the noble path of Hussain. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement, urged the international community to support the Kashmiri people's rightful demand for self-determination. As the world commemorates the World Day for International Justice, the people of occupied Kashmir continue to be denied justice for over 7 decades. A report by the research section of Kashmir Media Service states that the Kashmiris face deepening military violence, house raids, detentions, atrocities, and discrimination under Indian occupation. Over 5,000 Kashmiris, including Hurriyat leaders, are in different jails of India and the territory and were yet to receive justice. The Kashmir Media Service report rejected the Indian government's figures on the killing of its personnel in occupied Kashmir and stated that since 2021, at least 494 of its forces personnel, including officers, have been killed in different incidents, with 116 committing suicide in the territory.